Hey, and welcome back to another TimUnscripted how-to video. So I finally cracked the code for YouTube thumbnail generation using a handful of different tools. I know I mentioned in an earlier video that I'm using a combination of different generative artificial intelligence tools in order to produce videos like this one. And what I wanted to do is kind of show you step by step what it was that I got this whole thumbnail generation thing, how it worked, or how I got it to work, I should say. So on the display, I've got the TechSmith's Audiate application open, and what this allows me to do is actually export a text-based version of the audio file coming out of Camtasia, which is another TechSmith tool. In fact, it's the tool that I'm using to record this video right now. So once that text-based script is exported, and mind you, I also use Audiate to do the cleanup, the light editing, deleting the pauses and the ahs and the ums and things like that are a distraction. This is going to be one of those rare videos where I don't do the editing, and it's mainly because I just want you to actually get the full video rather than a touched up version of it. So this being said, this text export file then becomes the source file for where I do two things. The first is, for me, I just use Gemini in this particular case because it's got Nano Banana embedded. I use it instead of trying to upload the video, I use that text-based file because it's got all of the relevant details as the basis to say, hey, look, based on this attached transcript, generate a YouTube thumbnail prompt. And so, Gemini is going through, it's assessing this entire transcript, and then it's saying, hey, by the way, do you want me to generate the image for this? And of course I do, because this is a faster route to a shipped product. This is not perfection. This is getting it done. Done is greater than perfect, in my opinion. And I'm a product development guy, so this is kind of the way that I operate. In the meanwhile, I flipped over and used Perplexity with the same file in nearly an identical prompt. A little bit of variation, and it's not because Perplexity is different than Gemini. It's just that I decided to vary the prompt. And I just said, look, using the attached transcript, generate a YouTube video description. And so, this was very simple. It basically did the same thing, two different models, large language models, assessed the same file and came up with a short YouTube description, which is now posted on YouTube on my channel, at Tim Dickey on YouTube. And subsequently, this description is right there along with the welcome video for the new series that I'm launching in 2026, which is the Life Lessons Learned series. And it's going to be a short run series and short to the point videos, less than 5 minutes in most cases. I don't want to say in all cases because this is an evolving thing, so it may go longer as I add additional content. But the whole point in all of this is I want you, as somebody who follows me for my product development content, to understand that even while I'm doing my own product development, I want to share what I learn along the way, both the things that are not working as well as the things that are working. So I'm hoping that these short video clips actually inspire you in your own journey, because if I'm doing right by you, and asking you to invest your time watching videos and reading my posts, then, I'm creating value, which is what product development is all about. If you've never seen my LinkedIn post, I would encourage you to follow me on LinkedIn because I am very direct. In product development, we are people solving problems for people, and we are people doing business with people. AI is just a tool that we can use to accelerate the process of product development. Why does this problem exist? Which is really the high level thinking behind product development. What can we do to solve this problem? And finally, how are we going to solve this problem? And it's as simple as that. So thank you for your time. This is a how-to video in my TimUnscripted video channel. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and all that other stuff, because this is a YouTube original piece. And have a great rest of your year in 2025, because there's more good stuff to follow in 2026. Take care.